Hi everyone, this is Todd from One Shot API. One Shot API is going to be at the Code NYC event this weekend in Brooklyn, hosted by Coinbase. We're going to be showing off some of the things that we've built for the x402 community, as well as our One Shot Prompts action provider for AgentKit. Our action provider will allow you to directly inject contract level prompts as tools into any Web3 agent that you build with Coinbase's AgentKit. But today I want to show you a tool that we built for all the contestants at the hackathon. It's a handy tool for generating quickly x402 compatible payment headers. So with this tool, you can come in here and put in a token address and a recipient and a URL, and it'll generate for you quickly payment headers that you can use when you're in the early stages of building or testing out x402 API endpoints. So I'm going to show you how to use it, and we're going to be using this N8N workflow that we discussed in a previous video. This lets you monetize custom private LLMs that you're hosting with Ollama. So all this up front, this is our N8N x402 gateway, and back here, this is where requests are forwarded to the Ollama inferencing engine. We're going to be using this. So first, let's come to One Shot Prompts and let's find a token to pay with. So if I select the x402 tag, you can see here we've already got a bunch of x402 compatible tokens that you can choose from. I want to do something different. I want to pay on the Avalanche C chain for this demo just to show you the flexibility. So let's grab that address and come to the tool. You can see my wallet is connected to the Avalanche C chain. Let's paste that address here. The to address, I just want to send the token to myself. So let's get my wallet address, paste that here. The payment is going to be valid for 90 seconds, so we have 90 seconds after we've created it to submit the payment. And then the URL, we're going to be sending it to our webhook endpoint. We'll paste that here. And then let's pay $1 for this inference. So let's put $1. And let's create the payment header. And you can see here it gives you two panels. The first one is just the payment token, and the second one is a complete curl request that you could use to paste directly into a terminal. I want to use this curl command that we already put into the N8N workflow for you. So let's grab this. Let's open up a terminal. And let's put our X payment token into our curl request. Okay, and so now we're ready to go. We're going to be asking the LLM what is the capital of France. So let's fire up our workflow. And let's execute the transaction. You can see here it's waiting for the transaction to mine on the Avalanche C chain. Now it's hitting the LLM endpoint and it's returned. And you can see here it has told us that the capital of France is Paris. So there we go. And if we check my wallet, previously I had 4 tokens, now I have 3 tokens. So we successfully paid for a private model inference, kind of like our own self-hosted hyperbolic solution. So we look forward to seeing everybody at Code NYC and hope to see you there.